Hi guys, today let's discuss this precious metal on DEX. For those who ask questions if there's silver, gold using DEX wallet guys, no. Again, this video is a global discussion. If you want to update the current subtitle, you can just click the closed captions and then go to settings and then update your preferred language guys, no. So dito nga ay meron ng bagong na-i-add. As per checking dito, meron silang silver, no. Ito. So we can check this one. Like for example, punta lang tayo dito sa market. Ayan. And then if ever na nandito ka sa trending, ay pwede mong puntahan itong precious metal, no. So meron din ditong stocks. Merong Netflix, AMD, Nvidia as well. Ayan, so makikita natin dito. So, isa sa mga na-add sa napansin ko dito, a recent update is yung precious metal, no, ito. So, select ko lang ito. Merong gold under Ethereum. Ito, makikita natin. So, under Ethereum network, PAXG, merong silver, no, under BNB chain. Again, guys, I just want to share my experience. Itong video natin today is just for ideas lang. For reference, does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights lang dito at sana masagot ko yung questions nyo dito guys, no. Ay, hindi po ako financial advisor. Please keep in mind. And as per checking nga dito, so pwede natin i-select itong example lang. This is like gold. And then this one is silver in tokenized form, no. So let's check. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo guys, yung structure na dito may mahaba na wick. So, accurate naman yan if i-hold nyo tas i-slide nyo pataas dito sa gilid, no. Ayan. So, ito yung current price ni gold. Ayan. Tether gold in a form of tokenized, no. So, in crypto. As per checking, nasa 5.3 tumaas around 5.20. And let's check itong silver. Ayan, as per checking dito, silver is on its all-time high right now. iShares Silver Trust on the tokenized. So this one is tokenized form, no. So we can also check the vibes. As per checking, merong pinaka-disclaimer. Makikita natin dito yung spark lines ng price. And bakante pa yung sa baba, no. So, yun yung isa sa mga nakita ko lang dito. We can do technical analysis using DEX, no. Walang pinaka KYC dito. You can just explore if you're interested dito. Lalay ko na lang yung pinaka official global link sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo if you're interested, no. So, as per checking, ito yung chart niya. So, for hours time frame, we can see some resistance within this zone. Market cap niya, makikita rin natin dito in a tokenized form, the price as well, no. So, interesting itong mga gantong update dahil makikita lang natin itong mga pair na ito sa stocks, no, like this precious metal pero available na as tokenized dito sa DEX, no, that we can cross validate ng price action and kung ano na nga ba yung behavior niya. Especially sa mga interested dito, if may volume ba dito, we can observe na merong liquidity, may holders as well, may market cap. So it's kinda interesting na makita na tokenize yung mga nakita lang natin sa stocks na pairs or assets guys, no. So yun, hope you get some insights dito. Pwede nyong i-explore, punta lang sa market and then precious metal guys, no. So hope you get some insights update dito sa video natin today. Kung meron pa kayong mga questions, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.